Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. Today I'm going to show you how to remove your Google account from Google Chrome. So we have to first of all come to Google Chrome. So this is our Google Chrome interface. Here within two simple steps you can easily remove your Google account from Google Chrome. So number one is that uh, go to these three buttons here. Go to here. This is my account which is already logged in, and go to you can easily close this. You can easily close this profile, or you can go to manage Chrome profiles. If you go to manage Chrome profiles, you can see that I have two Google account signed in Google Chrome. So if I want to remove this account, I'll just click on these three button here and click on delete, and all my browsing history, bookmarks, and sign in methods will automatically delete if I delete this. If I click on delete button, I as this is my main account, I don't want to delete right now, but this is my secondary account. I will show you for you guys. I will delete this account. So I will click on this three arrow button, click on delete, click on delete. As you can see, you can easily delete your account from Google account from Google Chrome. So within a very simple process, you can easily delete your Google account from Google Chrome. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel. To our channel. Thank you. We'll see you in another video. Bye.